Well, GoPro, you didn't want to be on. I caught my first fish of the day.
Now they play my songs every time that they go on fish. Water calm, low light, those conditions I like. Toss a lure, get a strike, rod flex, line tight. Head got that shake, putting up a good fight. I never met a Broneck dude.
There you go. There he is. Little guy. There you go, buddy. There he is. Gotta get aggressive. Oh, it's a good fish, yeah. Good fish, good fish. Good fish, good fish, good fish. He ain't a monster, but he at least a pound or two. Good 2-pounder. That's a chunk. What'd I say? What'd I say? 2 pounds. There he is. Told you. Told you that was a cash, baby. Number 7. Little guy, I think I might have foul hooked him. Eight pack. Told you I foul hooked him.
If you like what you just saw, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to my page. Broneck.
Closer, might got that one is mine. If picture's worth 1,000 words, that's just being kind.